Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 2, Day 4. So right now we are going to be working on listening for sounds that are the same in a sentence. So listen carefully as I say this sentence. 5 fat frogs float for fun. What sound do you hear at the beginning of each word? I heard f. Did you hear it too? Now I'm going to say two words that begin with the same sound. Fit, fast. They both begin with the f sound. Oh, 1 second. So I am going to say some sentences. What sound do you hear at the beginning of each word in the sentence? Okay, here I go. Pam plays piano. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. P. Ruth runs races. 3, 2, 1. All of those words have the sound first. Bob bakes bread. 3, 2, 1. B. And last of all, Dave digs ditches. What's that sound we hear? 3, 2, 1. D. Now this is called alliteration. That's a fancy way of saying that all the sounds begin with this. A lot of the words begin with the same sound. Okay, friends, let's read this. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Lick. Change the ul to s. Sick. Change the k to t. Sit. Change the t to x. 6. 6. Change the s to f. Fix. Change the x to t. Fit. Fit. Change the t to n. Fin. Oh, whoops. Yeah, that would have been fin. But then, so we'll just put that like that. So that would be fin. Change the f to w. Win. Change the, let's see, change the w to p. Pin. Change the to ul. Pill. Change the p to w. Will. Change the w to h. Hill. Change the ul to him. Okay, so that's a little fast, but if we get in the rhythm, we can hear those new words with the new sounds. Okay, this is our story for today. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to blend it. Jill and Jim. Jill and Jim. These are words we'll see. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. Down. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Look. Okay, here we go. Okay, Jill and Jim. Okay, I'm going to have you read it. My turn. Jim can sit down. Okay, your turn. My turn. Jill can look up. Your turn. My turn. Jill will not sit. Your turn. My turn. Jim will win. Your turn. My turn. Jill can sit. Your turn. My turn. Jill will dip. She's going to tip her foot into the water. Okay, here's our next one. Your turn. My turn. Jim can dig in it. Okay, friends, these are our sight words. So we're just going to say them quickly. 3, 2, 1. Down. I put the book down. 3, 2, 1. Out. She is out of money. 3, 2, 1. Up. The cat is up in the tree. 3, 2, 1. Very. The boy was very hungry. Okay, and then I don't know why I don't have go, so 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, Once more, we're just looking at some of these words that have the same letter at the end, and we want to remember they only say the sound one time. So this is the word ass, pass. So I pass the ball. But I don't say pass, I say pass. Let's read the next one. Hill. The next one, mitt. Like a baseball mitt. Oh, this one got a little crazy. That's okay. Let's do this next one. Kiss. The word is kiss. Oh, let's do the one at the top. I'll write it down here so we can see it. Okay, here we go. Miss. Okay, here's a name. Let's make those sounds. Matt. Here's another one. Will. And last of all, it's kind of hard to see, is jazz. Okay, friends, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.